Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shimbo Masigari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is our Arkanghel Raphael messages for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino makayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all better para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Arkanghel Raphael, bigyan mo ako ng isang pasabog na bulabog na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Bigyan mo po ako for the sign of Sagittarius. Jesus, the Divine Healer. Wow! So, nandito guys si Jesus na sinasabi sa iyo dito na mukhang pagagalingin ka niya sa anumang uri ng karamdaman, sa pag-ibig, sa pananalapi, o anumang uri ng eksena na yan. No? Pagagalingin ka dahil nandito si Jesus Christ to help you. And of course, there's a stretch, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo rin na i-motivate yung sarili mo, no? Kailangan mo rin kumilos, gumalaw. Ay kasi mukhang hindi na umaandar yung mga ano mo dyan, mga nerves mo dyan, no? Kumbaga, baka mahilig kang umupo or mahilig kang humiga, something na kailangan mo ng tumayo at kailangan mo exercise siguro at the same time. So, let's see. Another messages. And of course, increase energy. Do you see? Palakasin ng energy. Like I said, diba? Sinasabi ko, kailangan mo ng exercise. Tamang exercisyo, diba? Yun yung magbibigay sa, at the same time, kailangan mong kumain at uminom ng mga ng tubig ng sapat na 7 baso sa isang araw, 8 glasses of water at the same time, no? Or sinasabi rin sa'yo dito na kailangan mong kumain, diba, ng mga masusustansya, lalo na yung fruits and vegetables, na para makadagdag sa iyong enerhiya. At sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang pagagalingin ka niya anumang uri ng karamdaman sa'yo, kailangan mo lang makinig. So, let's see. What is the messages for you ng ating angel spirit na si Arkanghel Raphael? So, there is a Wheel of Fortune. Wow! Pasabog! Kumaga na Wheel of Fortune since 7 turning event. No? Mukhang may swerte yung papasok sa'yo. That because nandito si Jesus. And of course, there is a 5 of Swords. Okay, there is a conflict or there is a disagreement. No? Kailangan maging maingat ka dito. Okay. And of course, there is Page of Swords, and of course, there's an Emperor. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, maging fair ka at patas ka sa eksena mo. At the same time, magkaroon ka ng self-respect or respeto with your partner, no? The Emperor is a maturity and of course, disciplined person, or there's a discipline and focus personalities. So, let's see, what is additional messages? And of course, there is a 9 of Cups. There's an kumbaga wish fulfillment, no? May mga bagay na matutupad sa iyo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na pag-ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Sinasabi dito na kapag tinutudo ang pinagsasabihan ka, no ba? Kumbaga matapang ka ba? Char, or sinasabi dito na nakikipagtalo ka ba? Hindi naman masamang makinig, no? Kumbaga kung ito ay makakabuti sa iyo. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, and of course, there's a 3 of Swords. Kumbaga, there's a heartbreak or heartache or something na nagbigay sa'yo ng kirot at sakit, no? Kumbaga, kung about sa love life yan, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng separation, betrayal. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, pagagalingin ka ni God. At the same time, what is the Wheel of Fortune? The Wheel of Fortune represents the 2 of Wands. There's a 2 path, there's a choices or decision that you need to make, no? May kailangan pag-desisyon nandito. First step, what is the 5 of Swords? There's a Chariot card, taking action. No? Kailangan mong kumilos. Kailangan mong gumalaw. Diba? Yung sinasabi ko kanina. Kasi nagkakaroon dito ng unfair debate. No? Hindi patas na eksena. Kaya ka siguro nagkakaroon ng kasi hindi mo tinutulungan yung sarili mo. No, some of you baka madalas ka lang nakaupo, kumbaga siguro ang trabaho mo is kumbaga nasa office, 'di ba? Syempre kailangan kung alam mong may free time ka mag-exercise ka, ha? So what is the Queen of Swords and of course the King of Pentacles? Ibig sabihin dito, there's a practicality. No? About sa business and of course, secure your finances. No? Maging matalas ang isip at maging totoo sa mga bagay-bagay. No? Kung alam mong hindi mo pa afford, don't be pretend, diba? Na kaya mong bilhin o kaya mong, kumaga siguro, siguro sinasabi dito na iwasan mo yung mga utang, diba? Kung alam mong hindi pa kaya sa budget, wag mong ipilit. Be mature enough. What is the Emperor? So there is a Seven of Cups. There is choices, or there's a lot of choices or options coming in for you. And of course, there's a King of Cups. Oh, nagkaroon ka talaga ng past person coming in. Kumbaga, past person for longest time, ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na, eto na yung taong inaantay mo. Diba? Magpupuno ng mga bagay or nasira mong puso. No? There's a good news. May magandang balita at may magandang mensahe na magdadala sa'yo ng hustisya. Diba? Yung balance. And of course, good karma. So, what is the Wheel of Fortune? And the Two of Wands. There's a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation. May mga bagay na mamamanifest ka ngayon. No? May mga bagay na biglang ikot ang kapalaran na sa iyo mismo, di ba? Makukuha mo yung yung tamang timing o yung tamang pagkakataon. Pero kailangan mo magdesisyon as soon as possible. What is the Five of Swords and the Chariot card? So, there is a Knight of Cups and of course, the Knight of Wands and the Three of Wands. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's an offer of perseverance and waiting for a ship, no? Kailangan mong pagtiyagaang mag-antay, no? Or, sinasabi dito like, kumbaga, there's a final push and waiting for a result, and there's a new horizontal, and of course, there's an offer coming in for you. Diba? So, let's see. What is the Queen of Swords and of course, the King of Pentacles? There is a partnership, no? Kailangan mong magkaroon ng mutual conversation, or there is some close bonds, diba? Para at least parehas kayong dalawan, kumbaga nagkakaroon kayo ng heart-to-heart talk. Diba? At the same time, kung talagang kumpara kayo sa isa't isa, be a partnership, not like said na about lang sa love life, diba? About din syempre about sa finances, yung pang long term talaga. So ibig sabihin dito, kailangan nyo magkaroon ng collaborations. What is the Emperor? And of course, the Seven of Cups. So there's a Knight of Swords. Magiging mabilis daw tong eksena na to. There's a success driven, and of course, sinasabi dito, parang, be mature ha, kumbaga, kailangan maging mahaba ang pasensya mo dito. Kasi parang, nagmamadali ka dito sa eksena to. Pero maraming option, don't you worry. So, what is the Knight of Cups and the King of Cups? There's the Sun card! Kumbaga, yung hiniling mo sa mga tala o hiniling mo sa langit o hiniling mo sa may kapal na may taong dumating is coming in. Ito na, parating na. Kasi the Sun card is a pure positivity. Good news, and of course, the Eight of Wands. Kumbaga, there is a past communication. Mabilis ang eksena. So, what is the Three of Swords, the Justice, and of course, the Page of Wands? There is a Six of Pentacles. Give and take. So, ang susi pagdating sa buhay at pag-ibig ay give and take. Hindi pwedeng take ng take, hindi pwedeng give ng give. So, pang susi and formula daw sa pag-ibig and give and take. Kapag yung tao or yung taong nakilala mo ay take ng take, diba? Take away. Char. Diba? Palayasin, mapalisin mo. Kailangan there's a give and take. Kung meron siya, dapat meron ka. Kumbaga, yung ideas mo, dapat may share din siya. Diba? Kailangan na parehas kayo ng thoughts and of course, ng kumbaga ng mindset, na hindi man totally ang mindset, pero parehas kayo ng perspective sa buhay. So, let's see what is the outcome. What is the outcome? Outcome is the 8 of sorry, yung 8 of Wands ba? Okay, 7 of Wands. So, ibig sabihin na 7 of Pentacles. Harvest time. There's a harvest time, because there's a 5 of Cups. Kumbaga, there's a failure and there's a disappointment. Pero don't you worry, ibig sabihin may mga bagay na hindi mo nakukuha. Kumbaga, hindi makakasama na yon. Hindi. It's a part of your opportunities na may natutunan kayo at siguro dinelay ni God yun. Dinelay ni God kasi meron darating na mas maganda sa'yo. So, dapat mataas ang sense of humor mo na tinitignan mo yung better side. Diba? May mga bagay na nangyayari, hindi dahil para, kumbaga, i-delays or something, kundi dahil may darating na mas higit dun sa eksena na yun. Kumbaga, there's a blessing in disguise moment. Ganon. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na harvest time is coming your way. What is the outcome? See? Matatapos na ang usapin pagdating sa finances. No? The Death card, and of course, the 5 of Pentacles. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng transformation about sa finances loss. No? Financial loss. And of course, there's a Tower moment. There's a reveal. Na makiklear mo na yung boundary at the same time, mabubuo mo na yung mga bagay. O some of you makakapagpagawa ng bahay. Or some of you makakabili ng bahay. There is a Tower. Represent, of course, the 4 of Sword na listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuition mo. No? Rest and rejuvenate. Pero kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. Hindi pwede yung rest ng rest. No? Hindi pwede yung rest ng rest. So, what is a yin and yang oracle card? So, yung sinasabi dito, perseverance, pagtiyagaan. No? Dahil, kumbaga, kalalaunan ay may darating na biyaya nagmula sa langit at may kapal. So, what is the yin and yang? So, what is the yin and yang? Yin and yang represent the chemistry. Oh my goodness. Diba? Pagkatapos mong may pakilig, diba? There is a chemistry. So, let's see. Diba? Pagkatapos mamasakta, pagkatapos malokohay, may taong darating para pakiligin at mahalin ka ulit. And of course, there is a party. There is a party. Or some of you, baka makilala mo siya sa party. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is an apology or something. Diba, may taong babalik or para humingi ng tawad sa'yo. There's a forgiveness. No? What is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? Okay, there's an hammer, sabotage or revealing. Some of you, wag mo nang ulit kumugawa, at wag ka na ulit kumuha ng bagay na ipubukbuk mo sa ulo mo. No? And because there's a palm tree, may swerte at mayroong stability na darating sa buhay mo. Na sinasabi sa dito, i-secure mo. Diba? Go-on mo ng security. Eksena mo. So, what is the energy? There is an adjacent possibilities. May mga pinto ang magsasara. May mga pinto ang magbubukas para sa iyo. There's a community. So, some of you talaga, there is a collaboration talaga. No? Talagang, may eksena dito. And of course, there's a temple path. There's a discoveries. Marami kang madi-discover dito. So, let's see. What is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's a flower, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang mamumukadkad ulit ang bulaklak, no? Muling, kumbaga, uusbong ang ganda, diba? Mukhang ganon. Mukhang magkakaroon ka ng bloom. And of course, there is a support. Kumbaga, sinusupportan ka ng ating angel spirit. At the same time, there's an animal. Or some of you, there's an animal lover. And of course, there's a time to decide. Kailangan mo na magdesisyon ngayon. Hindi bukas, hindi sa susunod na araw, kundi ngayon. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, there's a right about your thoughts and feelings. So, tama yung mga nararamdaman mo. Tama yung mga, kumbaga, yung iniisip mo. And of course, there's a detach from the situation. Kailangan mo na kumawala sa sitwasyon. And of course, sense of humor. Oh, I told you. Di ba kailangan mataas ang sense of humor mo? Yung may mga bagay na nangyayari sa yung failure, disappointment, pero may tinitignan ka pa rin better side of your life. Di ba? Tinitignan mo kung bakit nangyari yun, bakit nangyari. Kumbaga ganun ka mag-isip. Dapat ganun ka talaga mag-isip, di ba? What is additional messages? Kasi pag ganun ka mag-isip, there's a blessing. Walang patid na blessing na darating sa buhay mo. Diba? Kasi alam mo kung bakit? Hindi ka nag-a-attract ng mga negativity. At the same time, there's a regret. May mga bagay na pinagsisihan ka or disappointment sa buhay mo na hindi mo na mababalik. At the same time, there's a failure. See, I told you. Kumbaga yung failure na yan is an opportunity to learn. Diba? May matututunan ka sa nangyari na yan. Na sana maintindihan mo. Diba? Char. So, let's see. What is additional message? There's a blue. Inner truth and communication. At the same time, there's some confidence. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. At the same time, there's a perseverance. Oh, I told you, pagtiyaga, diba? Pagtiyaga, there's an empowerment. Diba? Alam mo yung kalakasan at alam mo yung kagandahan mo. Inside and out. And of course, alam mo yung kagwapuhan mo. Diba? Diba? Gaganon. Charis. So, what is the Romance Angels? Romance Angels is a children. Some of you may mga anak. No? Kumbaga, your love life is being affected by children. Some of you naapektuhan yung mga anak mo. And of course, there's a heart-to-heart conversation. I told you, di ba? Kanina ko pa rin yan sinasabi. Perseverance, communication, and of course, there's a heart-to-heart talk. Di ba? Kailangan nyo makipag-usap ng puso sa puso. Di ba? Ganon. So, what is the chakra? Ang daming no? And of course, there is a guest. Maraming kontrabida, maraming bisita, te. And of course, there is an instinct. Tama yung intuitions mo. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. And of course, yung vibration mo. And of course, there's a renewal, no? Kung makakapagsimula ka ulit ng panibagong eksena. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? So, nandito si Jesus, the healer, divine healer. So, sinasabi dito, take there no thought for the morrow shall take thought for the itself. Things itself. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, hayaan mong dumating yung kinabukasan. Huwag ka magmadali at huwag mong pangunahan. Diba? Para sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, hayaan mong umusbong at hayaan mong suminag ang liwanag na mula sa langit. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, kasi kapag yan, inantay mong suminag, pag sinag niya at wala kang tulog, masakit sa mata. Ganun yan. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mo antayin. Kumbaga, mayroon din siyang effect dun sa eksena na yon. Di ba? Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan intayin. Kailangan mong, kumbaga, gawing nature. Di ba? Sa nature. Kumbaga, hayaan mo siyang mangyari. And of course, there is a tree. I am powerful. So, what is the I am powerful? You are being called upon to use your spiritual gift as a light worker, as is thinking all of humanity. Live your truths to be a positive light to others. So, napaka-powerful mo daw dito na kayang-kaya mo magbigay ng mga positive, no? Kayang-kaya mo mag-attract ng positive at na-attach mo yung ibang tao. You have a spiritual gift na kayang-kaya mo silang ma-motivate, kayang-kaya mo silang mahaplusan sa mga good energy, diba? So, what is the messages of life? So, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito, there's a dance of the rhythm. So, ibig sabihin, sumabay ka sa indayog at sa sayaw ng buhay, diba? Today, I find the joy in my heart I lighten my life is by releasing what I am no longer need. I align myself who I am. I gently acknowledge who I'm not. I am grateful for what I possess and I am at peace with what I do not. I appreciate and accept my life as it is. I live according to the will of God. In this way, I dance with the life, see the magic of love bloom. See, kumbaga sumasabay ka lang sa endayog, hindi ka nagbablock or something na hindi ka parang hindi binablock yung ways or yung flows, diba? Sumasabay ka sa agos ng eksena, diba? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, guys, this is the messages for Arcangel Raphael, messages for the sign of Sagittarius. This reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!